Discover a new way to create outdoor area lighting with the SiteLight XL, a portable fabric lantern that you pack, pop, and light for an instant full moon glow. Featuring 300 lumens of diffuse light on 15 feet of cord, the SiteLight XL sets up quickly to bring warm ambient light to any outdoor setting. Power it via any USB source or from a BioLight lantern for additional dimming functionality. Part of the SiteLight family, you can mix and match, creating a custom light setup to fit your site. Lightweight and easy to pack, bring a full moon wherever you go with the SiteLight XL, part of the BioLight NanoGrid.
Hello, I'm Joe from Ledlenser, and today I'd like to demonstrate the Ledlenser ML6, a beautifully engineered, state-of-the-art lantern. It's been specifically designed for outdoor pursuits, but it's also ideal for all kinds of situations where you need glare-free 360-degree illumination of your surroundings. Besides the stylish design, its innovative micro-prism technology ensures powerful, glare-free illumination. The light distribution is optimized by the optics to illuminate a large space with a lovely, even light that has to be seen to be believed. The quality of light and efficiency is in a different league to the standard diffusion approach. The ML6 is powerful with up to 750 lumens in boost mode. You can also exactly match the output to your requirements and therefore maximize battery life with a stepless dimming function. It also offers a red light mode and flashing red and white light modes. And if you don't want to lose your night vision, you can directly switch on the red light by holding either the plus or minus switches for more than 2 seconds. Another useful feature is that both the switch and the bottom of the lantern are phosphorescent, which makes it easy to find in the dark, for example in your tent at night. The ML6 comes with many different mounting options. It has a rubber hook for hanging the light, an integrated magnet for mounting it on metal surfaces, and a removable stand with an extra built-in metal hook that can be flipped out to provide even more mounting options. Last but not least, there's a 1/4-inch thread for mounting the lantern on stands, such as the Ledlenser Tripod Type A, with adjustable legs for unlimited flexibility. In addition to serving as a light source, the ML6 can be used as a USB energy source. Simply charge your phone or wireless speaker via the built-in power bank. Now there's nothing to stop you from creating a bright and pleasant environment wherever you are. Of course, our ML6, like all Ledlenser products, is backed by our industry-leading 7-year warranty when registered. To see the ML6 and all of our other lighting solutions, please visit our website.
Enjoy nature-inspired glows and true tone illumination with the BioLight Alpenglow USB rechargeable lanterns. Available in 500 and 250 lumen sizes, these lanterns are ready for the backyard and the backcountry. Featuring ChromaReal technology, Alpenglow's high-efficiency LEDs emit broad-spectrum light for accurate color rendering in low-light conditions. When using at night, ChromaReal technology helps colors pop, textures stand out, and finishes have more depth and luster. It's especially helpful with nighttime cooking. In addition to warm or cool white settings, Alpenglow features color LEDs that are tunable to your taste. Select a single hue to your liking, or mix a blend for a nature-inspired sunset or sunrise vibe. Don't feel like choosing? Don't have to. Give it a shake, and the internal accelerometer will cycle through all colors continuously. Alpenglow is dimmable and features 2-panel control, so you can choose single-sided light to conserve battery. With both USB charge-in and charge-out, you can use your lantern as a backup power bank to charge devices, or connect to the BioLight SiteLight family for easy overhead lighting. Beautiful design, light that lets you set the mood or accomplish a task, and rechargeability that puts you in control of your energy. Discover the BioLight Alpenglow lanterns today.
guys, it's Casey with Lander. Today we're going to walk you through the new Boulder Smart Lantern and Charging Hub. We're super excited to introduce the Boulder into our lighting line. The Boulder is all about community and bringing people together. So let's get into the details. First, let's talk about the light. What you'll notice first, this is a new form factor for us. This is a larger format lantern with full 360 degrees of light dispersion. It's also 350 lumens, so it can light up your whole entire campsite or your backyard barbecue. Since this is a smart lantern, you can also connect it to the Lander app and control it remotely from your phone, turning it on and off, dimming it up and down, strobe mode, and a full RGB color spectrum. In the app, you can also set light timers and alarms. It also has a built-in smart proximity sensor to give you perfect lighting no matter the setting. Now let's get into the power. Since it's a charging station, we wanted to give you enough juice to power your whole party. The battery itself is a 13,500 milliamp battery and can charge up to 4 devices at once. The top of the lantern is a Qi certified wireless charger, and if your friends need power too, the top of the lantern pops open, exposing the 2 USB-A ports and the USB-C 18-watt fast charging port. Also on the inside of the lantern, there is internal cable storage, so you'll always be ready to charge. The Boulder is also equipped with the Lander anchor system. The multi-axis tether allows you to hang it and use it however you'd like. And lastly, in true Lander form, the Boulder is IP65 waterproof and dustproof rated, so you can be confident to take it on any of your adventures.